pipe cleaner pansy is a little more advanced than most pipe cleaner flower projects, but the results are well worth it. I'll break it down for you step by step. For this project, you will need 3 purple, 1 dark blue, 1 yellow, and 1 green pipe cleaner and fingernail clippers. To start, take 1 pipe cleaner and coil down each end. Keep it tight and flat. Curl up one side to the middle and then go the opposite way with the other end. Doing the same thing, making a coil, keeping it tight and flat. And at the end you will have a figure 8. Set that aside for now and do the same thing with another pipe cleaner, coiling down each end to make a figure 8. Cut the last purple pipe cleaner in half with the fingernail clippers and coil it up, leaving just a small tail at the end. Thread the tail through the last coil just to keep everything in place. Now hold the 2 figure 8s together so they're in a cross pattern and wrap one of the coils around the middle of the other so everything stays together. Now take your single coil and stick the tail through the middle of the other petals and wrap it once around one of the pipe cleaners to keep it attached to the rest of the petals. Now cut about 1/3 off of your dark blue pipe cleaner, and you're going to do the same thing that you did with the first 2 purple pipe cleaners, coiling down one end till you get to the middle and then coiling down the opposite end to create a figure 8. Now start coiling down the rest of the blue pipe cleaner. Coil it down just enough so it's the same size as your other 2 coils, and then cut it off with a small tail. Now place this coil in between the other 2 and wrap the tail around the middle so you have a clover shape. Cut off about 1 inch of the yellow pipe cleaner and then cut about 1/2 inch with the fingernail clippers. Wrap the smaller piece once around the larger piece so that you have 3 even pieces sticking from the top. So you're basically making like a little chicken foot. Then bend each piece down flat. Send the tail of this yellow piece down through the middle of the dark blue piece, and then send that whole thing down through the middle of your purple coils. Arrange the petals into a pansy formation if you haven't already. 2 at the top, 2 directly underneath, and then 1 in the middle at the bottom. Wrap one end of the green pipe cleaner around the yellow base on the underside of the flower. This is a little tricky. Take your time. Wrap it around a few times to keep it in place, and then coil it around and around the yellow stem until you get to the end. Now fold the rest of the green pipe cleaner up to the base of the flower and twist the 2 sides together to make a thick, sturdy stem for your pansy. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.